Good day everyone, my name is Jarko Ikabog and today we are going to be discussing insect pest management of lettuce. So these are my presentation elements. Firstly, we have the brief history about what is lettuce. Second is what are the common pests found in lettuce. And last one, how to control in an IPM way. Lettuce, also known as Lactuca sativa, is an annual leaf vegetable of the aster family or Asteraceae. Most lettuce varieties are eaten fresh and are commonly served as the base of green salads. So lettuce is generally a rich source of vitamins K and A, though the nutritional quality varies depending on the variety of lettuce. So ang lettuce daw, makaunin nimo siya og hilaw, mas stuffing sa samgyupsal if mag-date mo karong February 14 sa imong iyab, and masalad pud nimo siya, butngan lang og ketchup and mayonnaise or any dressing that you want. So we have four botanical varieties of lettuce that are cultivated. First, we have the Celtus or the variety Augustana. Second is the cabbage lettuce or the variety Capitata. Third is a leaf or curled lettuce, which is the variety Crispa. And lastly, we have the romaine lettuce or the variety Longifolia. The most popular locally is the crisp head type, which includes green and light green varieties. The loose type includes red, bronze, dark green, apple green, and chartreuse varieties. Other types of romaine and butterhead. The top producers are the Cordillera Administrative Region, Region 10, and Region 7. What is the common pests of lettuce? The caterpillars of two species of moth, turnip moth or Agrotis sigetum, also known as cutworms, and silverwire moth or Autographa gamma. These are the particular pests of lettuce crops, although both species will feed on a wide range of host plants from different plant families. Agrotis sigetum, sometimes known as a turnip moth, is a moth of the family Noctuidae. The species was first described by Michael Dennis and Ignaz Schiffermuller in 1775. It is a common European species and it is found in Africa and across Eurasia, except for the northernmost parts. The term cutworm applies to the various moth larvae, the majority being species of noctuid moths and a turnip moth. In particular, although sporadic pests can be severe, leading to the loss of plants and reductions in quality, the most susceptible crops are the lettuce, leeks, and beetroots. Cutworms or noctuid moths life cycle and graft damage. By May and June, adult turnip moth lay eggs on the plants or on plant matter in the soil. By June, eggs hatch in around 8 to 24 days depending on temperature and larvae feed on the aerial parts of plants. By late June and July, following a further 10 to 20 days, the larvae go through a second molt and begin feeding on roots below ground. By August and September, a second generation of turnip moths may emerge in late summer, but the caterpillars of this generation do not appear to be damaging. And by October and April, the pest overwinters in some countries, as the larvae of the second generation with pupae forming in April and May. The life cycle of other species may vary from this pattern. So, how do we control in an IPM way? Every IPM strategies is applicable when it comes to controlling and reducing the population of pests. For example, when the affected areas are only small and is only below the ETL or the economic threshold level. We can use the do-nothing method, which is to observe the pests and to plan your insect pest management strategy, and having to apply chemical methods as your last resort. We should practice the IPM method because it plays a big role in our world and to secure the quality and safetyness of our consumers, and also for the farmers to have low cost on controlling the pests, leading to higher profit, especially when lettuce as your choice of crop and consumers usually eat it raw. And that ends my video presentation titled Insect Pest Management of Lettuce. Always remember, agriculture is the backbone of our society. Thank you.